Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you're well. So today I'm going to be talking to you about the season of love, which is Valentine's Day, and a cute stamp set that's available in the Spring Summer catalogue, and that's Hey Love, which is here, which is super cute, super punny, and I think perfect if you and your partner don't take each other very seriously, or ideal for kids to give out to kids' classes. So, today's card is going to be this cute little notelet here, which is our extended notelet, and we're just going to crack on. So first things first, I've already folded the notelet in half, and I've created a mat measuring at 6 centimeters by 11, and that's where we're going to do our stamping. So to start with, I'm going to bring in a stamp from the Artisan Textures, which is this almost like a paintbrush, dry paintbrush effect mark, and I'm going to bring in Blushing Bride ink. So I'm going to ink that up. Like so, and I'm just going to slightly stamp off the edge, like so. So when that dries, that will go a solid deep colour. Just put that away. And to carry on with the background, I wanted to create something a little bit more interesting, and I've seen a lot of other people use sentiments to create interesting backgrounds. So that's what I gave a go. We'll see what you think. I'm sure you might like it. And to do that, I'm using Real Red ink. And because I didn't want it all to be one colour, I stamped the sentiment once. And then I just used it to finish the line by stamping it again. Like so. So this time I want Hey Valentine, and I want, I've done it wrong, do it like that. So yeah. So you want to stamp once for a solid, and then stamp again for a part, or second stamp, and then just ink up, stamp down, just to fill the spaces, like so. Super easy, right? And it is super cute, just to make a little bit extra dimension. So the sentiment is the exact same Hey Valentine, however all I've done is I've heat set it onto some basic black cardstock, and that's just a centimetre wide, and heat embossed it. Before I do that, I'm going to stick this down to the base. Like so. And then I'm just going to pop that in the centre of the bottom of the card, like so. Make sure it's straight. Now we need to do our little birdie. So I've got a small piece of Whisper White, which is just a piece of scrap, so make sure you're using them. And I'm using Memento ink, and I'm using Memento ink because I'm using blends to colour it in. So I'm just going to ink him up and stamp him down, like so. So I'm going to give him just a second to dry. It dries super quick, however, I feel it's sometimes best just to allow some additional time. And the blends I'm going to be using is the light petal pink, and for the beak I'm using, wrong way, dark daffodil delight. For the heart I am using a Poppy Parade marker because I don't currently have the red blend, the real red blend. It's in the post, so it is on its way. So now that should be dry. I'm not going to do anything fancy with this, just purely because it's super quick and easy. You want to be bashing them out, especially if you're doing them for all your kids' classmates, for them to take into school, or for even a fair or whatever might be happening at schools. This is perfect. So quickly coloured him in the petal pink. The beak is going to be the dark daffodil delight. And finally, the heart in the poppy parade. How cute is that? So all you're gonna want to do now is just quickly fussy cut him out and pop him onto a dimensional like so. How adorable is he? And he's just going to sit slightly behind the sentiment like so. Now, while that's fabulous and everything, I wanted to give the card a little some else. And you know me, I like my bling. So I'm going to bring in my real red gems, which aren't just for Christmas. Like so. And I'm just going to pop 6 on, just because I think it looks super pretty. And there you have today's card. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below, where you can see a full list of the products used and links to my online store where you can purchase the items. While you're there, also like, comment and subscribe to my video, and why not share to your social media so everybody can see how super quick and easy it is to make such a brilliant card. I'll see you around. Bye.